Well, a two-day event kicks off tomorrow offering health, dental, and vision care to those who need it. And we know right now that need is great. Friends in Need is joining forces with Appalachian Miles for Smiles to offer this community health fair in Kingsport. Joining us now with more, Sarah Wells, Executive Director for Friends in Need. And Sarah, great to have you on the show.
Thank you so much for allowing me to be here today.
Well, we are big fans of the work that you do for our community with Friends in Need. Tell us a little bit about your organization and how you guys work in the area.
Friends in Need was developed in 1995, and we have a partnership with Appalachian Miles for Smiles, which I greatly love and appreciate because they do the mobile units out into the community. And we have our base here at 1105 West Stone Drive. And we are a sliding scale basis, and being able to help people that do not have insurance, or maybe they're underinsured. They may have insurance for one side, but not dental or vision. So this way it gets covered and people are able to have what they have need of.
And right now you said you continue to see that need increase.
Especially since COVID-19, where they've lost their jobs and lost their insurance, it's going to be even greater. We know that. So the greatest thing we can do is start looking at how we can better serve, and that's what my job is right now. You know, change is hard, but it has to come in order to meet the need.
All right, and you're meeting that need coming up this week. Tell me a little bit about this health fair that you've organized.
I'm very excited because I love health fairs. It gives information out to the community, and now it gives services. Appalachian Miles for Smiles will be here, and they'll be out in the parking lot. Anyone just wants to come by and see what they are, I would love for you to do that. I'm very proud of them. But they will be out there doing vision, and then those that need glasses will receive those at a later time. But today they start the initial work, and then they will also be doing dental work. And that out there is free, and anytime the Appalachian Miles for Smiles is traveling, it's free. And then in here, we will have different stations and be able to do health checks, A1C, if you're wondering about your blood sugar, and we're going to be here to help you with that, blood pressure, those things, and then be able to get information from the health department and other partners that we can actually make sure people know what is going on and what the future will hold for them.
Because I am sure you are seeing, like we are as well, a lot of people are putting off their health care right now because we've been so concerned, and certainly have a right to be concerned, but for a lot of people that can be very dangerous.
It is, and one of the things we will make sure everyone's going to have their health checks when they come in first, to make sure the COVID checks, and then they'll be given a mask and asked to wash their hands and make sure that everything's sanitized. And of course we are fully prepared in both Appalachian Miles for Smiles and Friends in Need. We are here in order to make sure that COVID-19 will not be entering in, so we're going to do our very best. Also, we'll have the social distancing, and yet they can still ask their questions and be able to have that care they have need of.
Yeah, and that is so important because so many people have been putting off that care. And then you mentioned too, a lot of it is just kind of connecting with these people in our community and getting them to the other resources that they might need. You guys really trying to look out for them in different ways.
One of the exciting things that in the vision that God gave me, and of course this is a faith-based ministry, and I wouldn't probably be a part of anything else, but being able to see what it is that they're going to be needing in one area is going to be bringing in social work care to be able to help people to connect to the resources and to work towards getting insurance and have a better, more stable life. So that's my goal, and I'm very excited about it.
Well, I've always been excited. You know, I'm a big fan of all the work that you have done throughout the Tri-Cities region for our community, reaching out to continue to help people in need. And Sarah, what can you tell our viewers if they are interested in some of these services? What's their course of action?
Well, first of all, they can come by and talk with us. If there's an opening, we'll be glad to try to get them in. If there's not, there's other future events, and we can go ahead and help them to get the process in to become a patient here with us at Friends in Need, be able to fill out applications, those things that can be done, and set the appointments. They can talk with Appalachian Miles for Smiles and make sure that they're on their list to get more care. And we will work together as partners in all ways to make sure they're taken care of. So I just ask them to either come out or to call Friends in Need. And if they would like to call, the number is 423-246-0010.
And then Sarah, for the health fair, the 2-day event, that can they just show up and get those services?
Yes, just tell them they can come in, as I said. We'll be glad to make sure you make appointments or at least get their applications, and if there's openings, we'll do glad to see them.
Okay, great. Some wonderful information. Thank you so much for joining us today, Sarah, taking the time to tell us a little bit more about your event. We'll let everybody know again, this is a 2-day event. It is a community health fair. It is happening the 26th and 27th from 9 until 4. And again, it's happening at the Health Center, Friends in Need Health Center in Kingsport. That is right off the Interstate Exit 1. For more information, you can visit their website or give that number a call.